Good morning, student. This is your English period. Hope you all have learned this chapter 3, the banyan tree, isn't it? Now we'll do the exercise. Evaluate reading, answer these questions. Question answers I will give you later. Now we'll do B. Match the sentence beginnings in column A with the endings in column B. This is the sentence beginning and this is the sentence ending in column B. First is the banyan tree. So banyan tree flowered every year. So you have to match this. Children swing on its branches. Whose branches they swing? Banyan tree's branches. People sit under it to take rest. Under the banyan tree, people sit to take rest. They feel relaxed under the tree's shade. Many birds live in a tree and the tree gives fresh air. Okay, this way you have to match. Now see, this chart tells you what happened to the tree gradually. Gradually means slowly, over some time, what happened to that tree. Complete this chart with the right words. Let us see. The tree grew out of a little dash buried deep in the soil. Little, what is the answer, student? Do you remember? Yes. Little seed. S-E-E-D. Seed means बीज. हिंदी में हम बीज कहते हैं. बीज अगर मिट्टी में होता है, पानी ज़मीन के अंदर मिट्टी में, तो वो धीरे धीरे जिसमें उसको सनलाइट मिलता है, हम पानी डालते हैं तो वो ग्रो होता है. एक ट्री में है ना, प्लांट ग्रो होता है उस सीड से. सो द ट्री ग्रू आउट ऑफ अ लिटिल सीड buried deep in the soil. Now gradually the plant grew up into a big tree. Gradually means slowly it grew up into a tree. And it spread its branches. टहनियाँ उसकी बढ़ने लगी. So branches flowered every year and bore fruits. उसमें fruits भी आने लगे. Then it dashed bigger and bigger and its branches wider and wider. Sorry, from here we have to move this way. So I'll do here. Now when the dash fell, the seed woke up from its sleep. When the rain fell, जब बारिश की बूंद उस पर पड़ी तो वो नींद से जाग गया. The seed woke up from its sleep. Then one day it opened its eyes. उसने अपनी आँखें खोली. Wide. फिर ये वाला करना था हमें. फिर यहाँ से अब यहाँ आएंगे. It dashed bigger and bigger. It grew. बढ़ने लगा वो. Bigger and bigger and spread its branches wider and wider. So what you have to write here? Spread. S-P-R-E-A-D. Spread its branches wider and wider. Now we'll move on to the next page. D is also question answers. I'll do it later. Now we'll see using grammar. Read this sentence. It opened its eyes wide. You can see here opened has been highlighted. The highlighted word is an action word or verb. Action word को हम क्या कहते हैं? Verb कहते हैं. Note how ed has been added to the verb. Open. Open सिर्फ verb है, उसमें हम ed लगा देंगे तो वो हो जाएगा opened. This tells us that this action took place some time ago and not now. Means past tense में. Now read these sentences. The child loved ice cream. Meena lived in Mumbai. So in these sentences, D is added to the verbs love and live to show that these actions happened sometime before now. कुछ देर पहले ही ये action हुआ है. So we add D. सिर्फ D हम ऐड कर रहे हैं बिकॉज E ऑलरेडी है उस वर्ड में, तो हमें D ऐड करना है. इसमें ED ऐड करना है क्योंकि यहाँ पर E नहीं है. We say that these verbs are in the simple past tense. Okay. Now add ED or D to the verbs given in brackets and complete these sentences. So he dash play the violin when he was a child. जब वो छोटा था, बच्चा था, तो वो वायोलिन प्ले करता था. सो पास्ट टेंस में हम क्या करेंगे, प्ले लिखना है हमें. प्ले इज़ अ वर्ब एंड देन व्हाट वी हैव टू ऐड, सिर्फ डी लगाएंगे या ईडी लगाएंगे, हमें ईडी लगाना है. ओके, जिस वर्ड में ऑलरेडी ई होता है एंड में, जैसे सी लिव में, क्लोज में, तो हमें एक वापस से ईडी लगाना नहीं है, हमको सिर्फ डी ऐड करना है. नाउ सेकेंड वन, वी डैश फिनिश आवर गेम एन आवर अगो. एन आवर अगो मीन्स 1 घंटे पहले ही हमने हमारा गेम ख़त्म कर दिया. सो फिनिश, वी हैव टू राइट फिनिश, दिस इज़ द वर्ब एंड देन वी हैव टू ऐड ईडी. ओके, यू राइट प्रॉपरली स्टूडेंट. माई अंकल डैश लिव इन दिल्ली फॉर 6 years. लिव, CLIVE, E is already there, so should I add ED again? No, I'll just add D, lived. Okay, they dash close the shop early today. Closed, here also see, you can see E at the end in this verb, so we just have to write D at the end, closed. Okay, now Tara dash dance beautifully at the concert. Here also D, ANCE, then we have to write D at the end. Hope you have understood, student. Go through this concept and do this exercise. Thank you.